Yo, YouTube, what's the deal? It's your boy Coyote Mar, back at it with another video. As you guys see, man, we getting ready to hit the field of Mexico. There's a couple runs happening tonight. I know that there's an AMG running a Hellcat, and they got a Beamer. I'm not too sure who he's running, but I also have a run tonight, so this is going to be an exciting video. Make sure you guys are staying tuned, man. Today we're going against a little FBO Camaro. Got some clean ass cars though. Got my boy Tone SS, man. This is my little bro right here, so y'all should already know who this is if y'all do watch the channel. Y'all see he just went on with some new front skinnies, man. Them motherfuckers actually look pretty good. Man, this a little E85 intake, only 5.0, no headers. And we ain't got no port on the manifold, no port on the throttle body yet.
It's scammed, everybody. It's scammed.
This should be a good ass race. Y'all little look around, man. You know, this is the infamous view that everybody gets. Hopefully we catch this dub. I'm talking all this shit. So I'm finna go check out this car right now, so stay tuned. If y'all been watching the channel, man, y'all seen this Camaro on the last run with my boy Hood Rich. He's on a FBO setup, custom intake, E85, long tube headers. He is tuned by GPI. Got them fresh front skinnies on as well for the back. And this is also a 10-speed auto. They got a couple clean ass cars out here. This ATSV is pretty fast, so don't sleep on it. Boy, Danny shit looking clean. Full VMS setup.
On my little bro that he gonna drag that shit. 200.
I'll take that.
Yeah.
Giving you a car.
I got 100. I got 100.
That's our me coming up.
I got 100.
I give you a car to go.
I was like, how y'all got money on Mar? Y'all thought Suno was gonna be Mar. I got 100.
I'm saying right now, that's a whole different race, bro.
Man.
Car to go. Gonna take the race.